building computer. Super cool. Look how quiet that is.
Yeah.
Virtually inaudible.
With its 5 watts of power it's pulling.
It's virtually inaudible. Dual 3070. Check out this epic sticker I got too.
Are you gonna keep your boxes?
For the time being, yes.
I got on my old phone case, and I bought my power supply as an EVGA logo like glued on, and it fell off when I was putting it in my case, so I put it in the back of my phone.
Check this out. Does not have full controllable RGB, but I'm just gonna keep it white.
Probably the hardest part is gonna be the cable management in this.
Oh, I don't know if you saw about this case, but check this out. And this is my fan controller. Pretty neato. Just installed this. Look at that quality of the iPhone. All that grease on it now.
It's like my phone can record the same thing.
Yeah, doing the test bench. Come on. So satisfying. Super satisfactory.
Just ripping the plastic off over here.
Oh. So satisfying.
I got my part of satisfying. So satisfying.
Right, got this part here. Satisfying. Look at these rubber things here. You gotta like take these off.
Yeah.
It's pretty insane. Alright,
This is for the
see you at the
graphics
test
card.
bench. Here's the test bench.
Okay.
Graphics card is in.
I have to look at how to jump this because I completely forgot.
DVI is in. It's working!
It's not working.
So cool. The stock AMD cooler. This guy really just wants to do it again.
Yeah. So we can't plug into the case yet because we're doing a test bench. So we have to jump start it with a screwdriver, which is done here.
Wow, look at that.
Let's go.
Look at that. It's not coming on the monitor though.
Seconds. It's first time starting.
Yeah, about a second.
Okay. Ryan, processor detected. RAM detected. Graphics card detected is pin and output. Yeah, I think we're good to put it in the case.
Fan detected. What about M.2?
I would have a keyboard to go through all that stuff. It's huge.
So quiet. What's that?
Extra fluid. I think I'm a busboy.
Yeah, radiator. So legendary.
Can't wait to put this in.
Yep, look at this. Radiator's on. Brackets are going on, I guess. Yep, we got all this on. Hard drive mounted, yeah. Very cool. So I gotta put in all the cables. Alright, turning it on. Hopefully this thing turns on. Everything's turned on. It's pretty clutch. Sheesh! Wow, what frames we getting on this?
And the BIOS. Look at this. Processor there. RAM
Dude,
there,
my
CPU there.
my water cooling
Fans are max speed.
no, my water cooling fans aren't even on.
Yeah, they are.
Oh yeah, they are.
I just touched one.
No, my water cooling LEDs aren't on.
Blowing so hard this way. Dude, your CPU's gonna be like ice cold.
It's gonna be so insane. And all these fans over here.
Okay, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This is your current RAM speed. Watch this. Nope.
Nice.
Nope.
Okay. Big things are happening.
I thought it was just power cycling. That would have sucked because we couldn't do anything about that.
No display yet. So that's good.
So yeah, we just moved the RAM in a second after we're done with this.
Okay. We're noobs. Placing the RAM in the wrong slot.
Well, usually it's every other slot that works together, but except it's offset. So like we should move it here, this to here,
Oh.
which is strange.
New mistake? What the hell, man?
Oh, you want to know why it's probably not working?
What?
It's in the wrong slots.
Noob alert.
You know that?
Talking about mods. Well, you missed it, but it did work. See, there you go.
I just turned it off. I don't know how it's that gone.
This PC is just so legendary. It just does that. All right, we're installing Windows. This is big. All right, this is it. Plastic peel time.
Isn't there plastic on the inside too?
Is there? Oh, I didn't see any.
Oh my god, that looks so good.
That's insane.